Many years ago, long before you and I were born, fossil fuels lived deep under the Earth's surface. They were happy there until one day, humans took them from their homes. To use them for energy. The fossil fuels grew angry and they fumed.
That's not good. Fumes turn into greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases help keep the earth warm, but when too many of them join, they trap too much heat.
That's right, and the fossil fuels weren't the only ones who were angry.
What's with the fumes?
Humans are using fossil fuels for energy.
What the? It's already too warm. Don't they know this will lead to
A climate crisis.
Exactly.
Calm down. I've an idea.
What?
We'll give the humans the energy they need. Then they will leave the fossil fuels in the ground.
And so, the elements agreed to help the humans create a different kind of energy, a clean energy.
Like solar panels.
Yes, the sun shone on solar panels that converted her rays into electricity.
And turbines.
Yes, the wind-powered turbines. You know a lot about this.
Well, my mum's an engineer.
But it wasn't enough. People still used fossil fuels for energy. The fossil fuels continued to fume, and the fumes affected creatures everywhere.
My ice cap is melting.
Our homes are destroyed.
I'm hungry. Me too.
Turn down the heat. It's too warm down here.
Well, don't blame me. Hey, wind, let out the heat.
I can't. The greenhouse gases are trapping the heat.
They're still burning fossil fuels down here.
We must do something.
I got caught in the storm. And that's when you found me.
You must stop! Can't you see the damage you're causing?
We gave you a chance, but you still didn't listen.
We told you to leave the fossil fuels in the ground.
No, you must stop using energy.
But we need energy to live.
Then the storm will continue.
Wait, my name is Roisin Renewable, and I'm gonna be an engineer. Maybe I can think of a solution.
Ha! How? You say you'll use renewable energy, but you don't have enough land.
Wait! We live on beautiful islands.
Yes, we know, but what does...
Islands surrounded by vast oceans and seas. You can use that to power your turbines.
It's big enough. Oh, but it's too deep.
What about a floating platform? Would that work?
Let's see. Yes, this could work. Yes! If this works, we could create lots of energy. Will you help me?
Maybe.
If you can do this thing,
Then we will help.
We will do this. We will design turbines that float on the sea. Then there will be enough clean energy for all of Ireland. And everywhere in the world with deep water and lots of wind.
And so, the wind, the sea, and the sun decided that here was the perfect place for turbines. Together with their island friends, they set to work on changing the world for the better.
Hey, look! The colors are coming back. Hooray!
No matter how small you are never too small to change the world.